Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Here we are with another do-it-yourself video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to install these canards that I just got from K&G Wraps. Go ahead, check it out. As you guys know, K&G supplied all of my aero for the car. Really great company based out of Northridge, California. I was looking to sort of add some more pieces to the car, and then I saw these canards on the website. Went ahead and pulled the trigger, so go ahead, check these out. So I got the two-piece canards here. So I'll leave a link down below of which ones that I got. But as far as the quality on these are really nice. They're not carbon fiber. They are, I believe, ABS plastic, but it's a really sturdy plastic though. It's not like a cheapy stuff. So this is the hardware that they provide. So this is going to be riveted into the car. So I did go ahead and pick up a rivet gun. But this is the hardware that it comes with. It's a pretty easy install on this. Again, just a lot of measuring and double checking everything before we drill. But as far as this install, you're just going to need a drill gun, measuring tape, some painter's tape, a marker, obviously the canard itself with the hardware, and then I believe it's called a riveter. I could be wrong, but I'll double check on that though. So again, K&G Wraps, Canards, go ahead, check them out. I'm going to go ahead and start masking off the car. We're going to do the passenger side first and then go from there. All right, first step is we're going to go ahead and mask off our area where we'll be installing our canards. All right, guys, so I went ahead and mocked up the canards where I wanted them. I definitely would have liked them a little bit lower, but just because of the way that they're shaped, they kind of hug these body lines the best. And also we do have the body kit there, the wide body, so I think it looks great though. I'm not too worried about it though. So I went ahead and measured it out. There's about 5 inches of gap in between on both sides, so that's going to be one of my anchor points. And then I'm going to just go ahead and measure out this line to the crease right here, so that'll let me know on the other side how far angled up. And then again, same thing on this line here. Measuring from there to here will let me know where the angle goes on this side. And then I'm going to go ahead and use the center of the bumper to let me know where this point ends right here. So you can check that out though. So, but overall, let me know what you guys think. Again, I think I did the best with what I had. I would have liked them to go a little bit lower, but I think it should be pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and mark these holes off and then start drilling. All right, guys, so now we have our markings in place. I'm going to go ahead and sort of do a little pilot drill and then go from there. All right, just to recap, we got our holes already set. I made so there's a 5-inch line from here to the curve line. So that tells me where the top of the canard goes. And then there's a 5-inch gap from the big canard to the smaller canard, which is down here. And that'll let me know what to do exactly on the other side. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the tape. Okay, now that we got our hole set, I'm going to go ahead and install the riv nut. So this is an M5, I believe. Go ahead, twist it on. All right, guys, now that we have all of our rivets in place, I'm going to go ahead and start to mount the canards and see how this first side looks. Alright guys, what do you think? Pretty cool. Virtually no gap. I mean, these things aren't perfect, but again, they're all handmade. The material's really nice. I mean, it ain't going nowhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and install the bottom canard, and then this side should be complete. All right, guys, what do you guys think? leave a comment down below. But I think these turned out all right. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and knock out the other side. Same thing, just rinse and repeat. And then last part is I'm gonna add some reflective vinyl all along the edges right here. So it should give it a nice little touch though. So let me go ahead and knock out the other side, and then I'll show you the final product. All right, guys, what do you think? This is the final install on it. Definitely different. I love it, actually. It's cool. Check it out. So it definitely gives it a little bit more of that arrow kind of look to it. Again, K&G Wraps supplied these. And then if you look at the red pinstriping, I did my own little reflective pinstriping that I do on the car. Check it out. So I love it. It looks cool. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. And if you look at the see fitment, I mean, they're not coming off. It's pretty in there. So again, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. You know, definitely really happy the way the car's coming out. I still have a couple more lighting things that I want to add to it, but again, I think you guys appreciate you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.